You're not faking it, you're growing. Ever feel like you're just pretending? Like one day, they'll find out you're not good enough? That's called imposter syndrome, and you're not alone. It shows up in moments that matter, right before something big, right after something good, and it whispers, "You're not qualified. You got lucky. You're not supposed to be here." Here's the truth. You're not a fraud. You're just growing in a world that rarely teaches us how to feel worthy. 3 gentle reminders. 1. Growth feels uncomfortable. That doesn't mean it's wrong. 2. You're allowed to succeed and still feel unsure. 3. You don't need permission to believe in yourself. Trust is built slowly, word by word, step by step, and today, you took one. You're not faking it. You're finding yourself. Come back here whenever you need to, remember.